Hi everyone. Last month we released an exciting new feature, Rollouts, which allows you to apply a winning test group to your site visitors without having to keep the test running or to spend time rebuilding your changes in Shopify. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to roll out a winning test group. But first, let's discuss when and why people use rollouts. When reviewing a test results, there are three main situations that you could find yourself in. The most common scenario is that one test group performs better for all visitors, so you want to end the test and show that group to all your customers. Replicating the changes in Shopify takes time, it's error-prone, and may even require developer support. With Intelligems Rollouts, you can apply your changes in just a few clicks. Now, if a group performs better across a specific audience only, let's say returning visitors, it may actually be impossible to deploy this change in Shopify. With Intelligems, you can easily apply these changes to just that audience. And finally, you may find that you want several rollouts from a single test. For instance, if your group 1 performs better for mobile visitors while group 2 performs better for desktop visitors, you can roll out group 1 only to mobile and separately roll out group 2 to desktop. So let's see this in action. We'll demonstrate scenario 2. I have a content test here that tried to increase conversion by placing a video banner at the top of a landing page. It looks like overall the video banner didn't do as well as the control group. But when you look down here at the audiences breakdown, you can actually see that the banner did beat the control group for desktop users by a small margin. By clicking the rollout button over here or up here, you can roll out the group with the video banner so that it shows only to mobile visitors, leaving the site unchanged for everyone else. The rollout wizard has two steps. First, choose the group you want to roll out. In this case, it's already been selected for me. Then choose what audience to roll this out to. If this group had one across all shoppers, that was the scenario 1 that I mentioned, I'd set it to all visitors. But in this case, I want to show the treatment only to desktop visitors. Notice that you can use all the Intelligems robust audience condition options here. You'll get a summary here as well in the next step, telling you that the test will be ended if it isn't already, and then you click Rollout. Once you've rolled out, Intelligems creates a personalization. For more information on the ins and outs of personalizations, you can watch our separate video. But in short, personalizations are simply experiences that contain one or more site changes, targeted to all site visitors or a particular audience, which you can display on your site for as long as you want. You can see that a draft personalization has been prepared, containing all the changes in my test group, targeted to the audience that I chose. I can quickly make sure everything looks right, tweak anything if needed, preview it, and when I'm ready, click Activate. That's it. Now our desktop visitors are seeing my banner as long as the personalization remains active. If this is a temporary campaign, I may stop it in a week, or if it's an evergreen site change, I can leave it on as long as I want. You can always access all of your personalizations, including previous rollouts, here on the personalizations list page. Going back to our three examples, if I had noticed that another group did better for a separate audience, I could go back to a test now, to my test, and do another rollout. But for now, this is all I need. We're looking forward to hearing your feedback and seeing how you make use of rollouts in your testing routine.